Hello guys, welcome to another video. On this short one I'm gonna show you how you can very easily reset your SteelSeries Arctis 9X headset. And this might fix some issues that you are facing, like interference, disconnections, problems with the game chat, or if you see that your headset is just stuck and is not responding, you can try that. Let's start. Alright, so on the Arctis 9X there is a hardware reset switch under the cushion on the right side. To remember, the side is the side where the power button is and most of the buttons. So if you remove the cushion, you'll see that pinhole is the one over here. It will require a paperclip or pin to press it, so just press it and hold it for a second, and it will reset your headset. Okay, and simple as that, we reset our headset, and right now you'll need to repair it one more time with your Xbox back from the start, and with other devices that you might be using it, and also connect it to your PC to update it through the SteelSeries app. And let me know if this worked and fixed any issue that you might have in the comment section below. And last, if you own different model of the SteelSeries headset and you cannot find the reset switch on the right side, try the other side where the microphone is, over here, the left side, and maybe you find it there. As I saw, the Arctis 7 have it on the opposite side, on the left side, where is the microphone. So check it there. If this video helped you, smash the like button and subscribe for more similar video like this one. And you can watch my next video right here.